Hello, everyone, and welcome to our last read aloud for this week. Tomorrow is part of Easter weekend, so Miss Krista will not be reading to you tomorrow. But today we're going to enjoy a math book, What Comes in Twos, Threes, and Fours, by Suzanne Aker, illustrated by Bernie Carlin. Let's get started. What do you think comes in twos? Can you name something that comes in threes? What about fours? What comes in twos, threes, and fours? What comes in twos? Just look at you. You have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 legs, and 2 feet. Now, I'm going to read that again, and you can point to them as I say them. Just look at you. You have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 legs, and 2 feet. And when you look in the mirror, there are 2 of you. There are 2 handles on the sink, one hot and one cold. There are 2 pieces of bread on this sandwich. There are 2 ways to go on a seesaw. Up and down. Birds have 2 wings, and so do airplanes. There are 2 pillows on the bed and 2 teddy bears waiting for you to say good night. How many teddy bears do you have? Did you ever count them? It can be such a fun thing to count collections. Teddy bears, paintbrushes, crayons, feet of your family members. There are so many things to count. What comes in threes? Traffic signals have 3 lights: red for stop, yellow for slow, and green for go. There are 3 wheels on a tricycle. We have 3 meals each day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here are 3 things that help us to eat: a knife, a fork, and a spoon. Here is someone coming to join us who has 2 and 4. Let's look, because she's at my computer. It's my cat, Amber. What does Amber have 2 of? Yep, she has 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 nostrils on her nose. But does she have 2 paws? Let's look, Amber. Oh, Amber has 4 paws, and I think she's not happy. So I'm going to put her down. Bye, Amber. Most things come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Notice the letters on those hats? Look, S for small. M for medium. L for large. There are 3 colors you can mix to make other colors: red, yellow, and blue. There are 3 important shapes: a circle, a square, and a triangle. Ooh, look at that triangle. How is he having fun on it? I didn't think about that before. That a slide is like the side of a triangle. There are 3 sides to a slice of pizza. And 3 leaves on poison ivy. Watch out! This is good to remember if you go outside in the woods, because there's a saying, leaves of 3, let them be. These leaves can make you itchy, and you don't want that. What comes in 4s? There are 4 wheels on Mommy's car. And 4 wheels on my wagon. The chair has 4 legs, and so does the table. So does the cat, and so does the dog. In fact, Miss Krista was playing ST Math today, and she was playing around with cat legs and dog legs to do some adding. There was a snake which had no legs and a dog which had 4 legs, so I needed 4 shoes for those feet. There are 4 panes of glass in the window. Sometimes words can say the same thing but be spelled differently, and this panes means this piece of glass, this piece of glass, piece of glass, and piece of glass. Those are panes, window panes. And 4 places to cook on the stove. There are 4 seasons in the year. Spring, when we see lots of flowers blooming. Summer, fall, and winter. And there are 4 corners on this book. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. We counted them. That is what comes in 2s, 3s, and 4s. If you have some time this weekend, maybe explore those 3 colors, red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue, especially if you have some paint or some food coloring, can be fun to see what colors you can make. What happens when you mix red with yellow? What about blue with yellow? Or blue with red? Who knows? Will you find a new color you can use to paint with? Or you can do some shape drawings. Remember those important shapes? Circle, square, triangle? Let's see what we can draw with them. Miss Krista is going to get a marker and her whiteboard. And let's see, what can I draw? I can even change the size of my shapes to make them big or small. And then I can put many shapes out to make different things. So if you do shape drawings, what can you make? I made a person. I can even put little circles for eyes and maybe a little square for a nose and maybe a bigger triangle for a mouth. There's my shape person. What will you do that's fun this weekend? I hope you have a good Easter. I will see you on Monday. Bye, friends.